Next is a conversation between His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, and a United Nations doctor, recorded September 29th, 1976, in Vrindavan, India.
So when we cannot understand things, it is given in the definition of negation.
But then it's much better to worship in God in form.
Yes, that is intelligence.
That's
if you accept Krishna immediately, manmana bhava, then your life is successful. Krishna says, manmana bhava bhakta, majjari mangava, mameva vaishyasi asangsaya. He says. But they are not interested. Avajananti mangava. Krishna is a historical person, I shall think of him. I shall think of Omkar. And you cannot think of Omkar, you can hear. And as soon as you think of Omkar, it comes form. There is no personality.
No person.
It again becomes personal. So they want to avoid personality and as well as think of him. It becomes a very troublesome job. Klesha adhikatarastesham abhaktya saktyatetasam. They cannot think of abhakta, impersonal, but they are trying to think of, and that is a very troublesome job. Klesha kleshala eva avushishyate. Such attempt means he simply gets the result of his hard work, endeavor. He doesn't get any substance.
So with faith accept the...
No, faith is fact. Faith is blind.
Faith is blind.
Yes. Faith with good knowledge, that's nice. If you have good knowledge of Krishna and you have faith, that is very good. But if you, just like Mahavadis, they say, imagine Krishna is God. They say, imagine. Huh?
That is no good.
That is no good.
Wonderful.
Kalpana. They say kalpana. Sadhukana vitarthaya brahmas rupa kalpana. Rup kalpana. But Krishna's rup is not kalpana, it is fact. Kalpana is not faith, it is blind. Let me imagine some form of Krishna. And therefore gradually they come down to the position that any form you imagine as God, that is all right. They come to this degradation.
That you can, any form...
Yes, any form, imagine that he is God, that will give you success. They say like.
I think I have taken too much of time.
I am going there at 6.
Words of enlightenment.
If you get any of Prabhupada's books...
I have got one. I bought all the volumes of translation of Srila Prabhupada.
Oh, very good.
I bought all of them. But some of them have not arrived from United States. The latest ones. And I have a copy.
That's very well.
You are staying in New Delhi?
I stay in The Hague and come to New Delhi when there are no cases.
Oh. Hague?
Holland.
Holland.
Europe.
That is the international court?
Yes, the court is located, the headquarters of the court.
I went somewhere. That is also international. In Geneva, I think.
Geneva is another headquarters of the Of the United Nations.
Yes.
New York, Geneva. But the headquarters of the court is in The Hague.
So I went to that place in Geneva.
In Geneva has got so many specialized agencies of the United Nations, like the ILO and so on.
Do you think United Nations is making any tangible progress?
Sir, it at least brings people together under one umbrella to discuss. If you did not have that,
The
then...
discussion that I have already explained.
Sir, maybe, but if you don't discuss, you'll fight.
No.
Because if A and B don't meet at all,
No.
then they will have the struggle.
If you have no idea how to come to the conclusion, you can forever go on discussing, you will never come. You do not know what is the aim. Nate vidu sarthagating he Vishnu, durasayaji bahirathamani.
Maybe so, but if two people, instead of coming to blows, come together to talk,
Now they
it
will
is
blow.
a step in the right direction.
No right direction because he does not know what is the aim.
They both want to have peace, so they at least try to
Everyone
struggle.
wants that, but if he does not know how to attain peace, then go on discussing forever. That is going on.
But it is still a step in the right
I don't
direction.
think there is any
But
advance.
otherwise, what is the...
Otherwise there is, but if you don't take, how it can be? Otherwise, in the Bhagavad Gita it is stated, Bhoktaram Jagatavasam Sarvalbhuko Maheswaram Suidam Sarvabhutanam Dhyata Mam Shantimit. This is the process. But if
that
you don't take
realization
it,
does not dawn, till that
then you go on
realization
barking. That is another thing.
So, it's better to bark than to fight.
Then that is your satisfaction, you can do that peacefully.
One day after barking, they will come
No,
to
that
a
is,
conclusion.
let it be known. Fact, that will never come. If you do not know what is the aim. That is stated in Durasayaji Bahirathamani. This is means a bad hope that by this external exhibition of manipulation of energy they will come to peace. It is not. Nati vidu sarthagating hi Vishnu durasayaji bahiratthama adanta gobhi andha jathandhi rupaniyamana. This kind of leading is made by the blind leaders. See, if the leaders are blind and the followers are blind, what result will be there?
That is true, sir, but that stage has not come. One day it will come.
Yes.
But till that stage and that realization of...
No, stage is there. But if the obstinate persons they do not take it, yet it is clearly said, that just like Krishna said, Sarvaloka Maheswaram, I am the proprietor of all the lands, of all the planets. So how can you say no? There must be someone proprietor.
But then God himself has created the ego in man.
No. He has
God is the
created,
creator, he is also the creator of the
he
ego
has
in man.
created ego. That is a fact. But you are utilizing the ego in a different way.
Because the realization is not there.
He is giving the intelligence, but you are not accepting.
Maybe so.
Yeah, that is difficult. He has come to give you instruction. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani. When you forget, there is glani, discrepancies in the discharge of your duties. He comes, he gives you instruction, but you don't accept. Now what can be done? The teacher is giving you instruction, but you don't accept, then how will you educate? This is what. Mura nabhijanati mame bhapparam. They do not accept They will write comments on Bhagavad Gita in their own way. You see? Therefore we are presenting Bhagavad Gita as it is. Yeah. As it is. Don't comment in your own way. You will not get any profit. But take for example any law, government law. Can I comment in my own way?
No.
Then why you comment?
The law is meant for obedience.
That's all. Similarly, if you accept Krishna, the Supreme Lord, then whatever he has said, that's what Arjuna said. Sarvamayetam ritangamanne, jadabadasi. Whatever you are saying, Kesava, I accept them in total. That is acceptance.